you are going to love the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $70,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, security system, cruise control, power windows, power driver's seat, rear defrost, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.